Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on how to use Ringcentral. If you are just getting started with this powerful communication platform, you are in the right place. In the next 6 minutes, I will walk you through setting it up, making first call or message, and how to stay organized. Let's dive in. RingCentral is a cloud-based communication tool that combines messaging, video, meetings, and phone calls all in one place. Whether you are working remotely, managing a small business, or part of a big team, it helps you stay connected and productive. First of all, go to ringcentral.com and sign up for login. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard. For sign up, you can use your Google email or Google account. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard, click on your profile to upload profile picture. To make things easier, download the RingCentral app on your phone or desktop. Search RingCentral in the App Store or Google Play, or download the desktop version from their website. To make a call, just go to the phone tab, type in a number or contact name, and hit the call button. You can also record calls or transfer them to another teammate. Just click on contacts, then click plus icon, then create new contact, and enter the name, title, phone number, email, and save. For messaging, go to the message tab from here. Choose a contact to team. Create a team name. Enter a team name, member names, or email address. Then team description, type of team like private or public. Then click create. To host a video meeting, click on video. Or click on join a meeting, then enter meeting ID or personal link name, then click join. Your meeting ID is a 9, 10 or 12 digit number. You can screen share, chat during the call, and even recording the meeting if needed. Just make sure your mic and camera are set up properly in your settings. Use headphones to avoid echo during meetings. Ringcentral lets you organize conversations into teams or topics. Just click plus icon on the message tab to create a new team. This is great for managing different projects or departments. You can pin important conversations and search through messages easily with the search bar. Now go to settings to customize your experience. Like you like how you receive notifications, how calls are not routed, and even setting up voice mail greetings. You can also integrate Central with apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, or Slack for a smooth workflow. And that's a quick beginner's guide to using Ringcentral. You now know how to call, message, meeting, and manage your workspace like a pro. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more how to content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.